Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Dermalogica Multivitamin Power Exfoliant. First, cleanse your face thoroughly to remove any makeup or impurities. Make sure your skin is completely dry before proceeding. You'll also want to have a small bowl and a fan brush ready for mixing the product. This preparation ensures the exfoliant works effectively and safely on your skin, setting the stage for a radiant complexion. Now, let's mix and apply. Dispense about 3 to 4 pumps of the Multivitamin Power Exfoliant into your small bowl. Add an equal amount of water and mix well with your fan brush until it forms a smooth paste. Gently apply a thin, even layer of the mixture to your face and neck, avoiding the delicate eye area. This ensures consistent coverage for best results. Once applied, allow the exfoliant to activate on your skin for 10 to 15 minutes. During this time, the vitamins and enzymes work their magic. After the recommended time, gently massage your face with wet fingertips in circular motions for about 1 minute. Finally, rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water until all traces of the product are removed, revealing smoother skin. After exfoliating, it's crucial to nourish your skin. Follow up with a hydrating toner to balance your skin's pH, then apply a serum to address specific concerns. Finish with a rich moisturizer to lock in hydration and support your skin's barrier. Remember to use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher every day, especially after exfoliation, to protect your newly revealed skin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.